It's 2 o'clock in the morning, and whose house are they flying over? 2 o'clock in the morning, no. Whose house are they flying over? 2 o'clock in the morning. Whose house are they flying over? 2 o'clock in the morning. See what they're doing in our area, look. All the lights are off, guys, look. Everyone's sleeping. Look at the tower block, a few lights. 2 o'clock in the morning, look. They'll be back. They're not going anywhere, they're gonna hover right there, watch. See? They'll be back, wait for it. Cue the music. They've been getting ready to do that off and on for about 2 hours, guys. Listen to them. Listen to this. Hovering around our house, 2 in the morning, look. Look at this disturbance. They're coming back round, wait for it. Here they come. Think about it. Can you hear any sirens? Can you hear anything? What would cause a police helicopter to fly over our estate 2 in the morning and hover right there? What? What would cause it? There's nothing, listen. No spotlight, nothing, no. What are they doing? Do you know how much that costs? To hang around there, no? Wait for it, they're gonna fly right over. Watch, I'm gonna go downstairs, back into bed. Wait for it.